A slow drain is one of the most common household problems. And for most people, the first solution is buying an expensive bottle of drain cleaner. But before you spend your money, try something you probably already have in your kitchen. If you enjoy simple DIY solutions that actually work and help you save money, don't forget to subscribe. We post new practical household tips a few days. You'll only need baking soda, white vinegar and hot water. But there's one important thing to know first. This method works best on slow drains caused by grease, soap residue and other light buildup. If your drain is completely blocked by hair or a solid object, you'll probably need a drain snake instead. So here's how to do it. Start by flushing the drain with a full kettle of hot water. If you know your plumbing is made of metal, boiling water can help soften grease inside the pipe. If you have PVC pipes or you're not sure what type of plumbing you have, use very hot tap water instead. It's a safer option and still works well for most light clogs. Next, pour 1 cup of baking soda into the drain. If the baking soda doesn't flow down easily, add just a small splash of water. You're not trying to dissolve it completely. You're simply helping the baking soda travel deeper into the pipe, where the build-up usually is. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes. Now slowly pour 1 cup of white vinegar into the drain. You'll immediately notice the fizzing reaction. Before walking away, place the drain stopper over the opening or simply cover it with a damp cloth. This helps keep more of the bubbling reaction inside the pipe instead of letting it escape right away. Wait another 5 to 10 minutes, then flush the drain with another kettle of hot water. Finally, let hot tap water run for about 5 minutes to wash away any loosened grease and residue. So why does this work? Hot water helps soften grease. Baking soda helps loosen residue stuck to the inside of the pipe. And when vinegar reacts with baking soda, the fizz helps spread the mixture throughout the build-up. No, it won't magically blast a major clog out of your plumbing. But for many slow drains caused by grease and soap, it can loosen enough build-up for the hot water to wash it away. If you've tried this once or twice and nothing changes, the clog is probably caused by hair, a solid object, or a blockage deeper in the plumbing. At that point, a drain snake or another mechanical cleaning tool is usually much more effective than pouring in stronger chemicals. So before buying an expensive bottle of drain cleaner, check your kitchen first. The solution might already be sitting in your cabinets. If you found this tip helpful and want more simple ways to fix everyday household problems without spending extra money, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.